Hey everybody, it's DB Pros Online. I wanted to show you today some cool new features and functions in our HOA tracking database software program. Really some great new enhancements that will make your work a lot easier. So let's take a look. Alright, so here we are at the main menu. One of the first buttons, actually the first button, one of the most important screens in the system. This is the owner screen where you can keep track of your owner and tenant records. You can see that the data is listed horizontally across the top. Down below we have a nice detail record. We can edit any of these fields here. We can keep phone numbers for communication, email addresses, um, keep up to 2 email addresses, and we can keep them active or inactive. We have a few status options. We have a monthly HOA fee field, and pretty much all the key information that you'll need. So you can put this information in manually. Of course, if you're running a small HOA, under 20 units, it's not too difficult. But if you're coming from a larger organization, or you've been using another system and want to avoid the manual process, you can use our import function. This is really a great way to get your data into the system quickly. So we're going to take a look at that now. So we're going to go to the Utilities menu, select Owner Contact Data Import. You can see here we get a screen prompting us for the import file. I do have a file. It does come with the system. It's an Excel file. And you want to populate that, fill out the columns. And then we're going to locate that from our hard drive. Here I have a sample version right here. We'll click open and we're going to run the import. So we'll answer the prompts accurately here. See that the process is started. We'll let it do its thing. Okay, great. Looks like the import process is completed successfully. Always a good sign and a good message to get. We'll close on out of there, go back into our owner's form, and excellent. We see all our data has been loaded into the system. Um, you can see we can sort again by clicking the red headers. You can filter by just owners if you want, or renters. Um, and we can do our wildcard searches, etc. We basically have all our information at our fingertips here. So this is a really great screen, and one you'll be working with a lot. So I wanted to show you another function in the system, and this is the communications module. This is how you would create a letter, or to notify a homeowner or tenant, and track it really easily within the system. So we're going to go to the communications button. This is the main browse screen here. We're going to create a new one, so we'll click the blue Create New Letter button, and we'll decide who is to be the recipient of this letter, Mr. Davidson. So from this list now, you can select from the various letters that you've loaded into the system, and you can click the three dots button and manage your library there, add more letters, different versions, work them out with your board. Basically all the components of your CNR documentation. And some HOAs have dozens and dozens. If you're a smaller one, you may only have a few. We leave that up to you. So we'll select the garbage can warning letter. You can see the text appears here. We can edit it if we need to. Select the letter status. We'll go for first. We're not going to put any notes here. Not going to certify this letter, but we could enter that data there if we wanted. And we'll click save. Now you can see the record's been added to the screen. Again, we can sort by date, by any one of these fields, using the drop downs, etc. It's a really great way to manage all your communication information. You can also add other documents here, pictures of violations. You can add notes. Um, it's really an excellent way to manage communications in your group. In this case, we do want to get this message out to Mr. Davidson, so I could print the label here. Um, if I want to print the letter, I click print letter. I can print directly to my printer, or I could print it to a PDF file. Some organizations like to use electronic delivery, so I can print to a PDF and come over here, click the email button, attach that PDF document, and we're in good shape, and we have a record of that here. And we might want to say here USPS and emailed, or you could enter that over here. It's really up to you. So that's just a few of the many features in this system. We don't have time to go into them all today. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will be having more. If you have any questions, please visit our website, db-pros.com. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.